Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US API weekly crude oil stock will be released at 20:30 GMT. The US 2-year note auction at 17 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The Belgian leading indicator will be released at 13 GMT. The Dutch gross domestic product at 4:30 GMT. Finland's producer price index at 5 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street rallied as prospects of the US Federal Reserve cutting interest rates as early as July offset fears that Iran would disrupt crude transport in the Middle East. All three major US stock indexes closed higher. Metaplanet, Japan's top Bitcoin corporate treasury company, announced Monday that it had purchased an additional 1,111 Bitcoin. Metaplanet's total holdings have reached 11,111 Bitcoin, putting the company's BTC holdings within striking distance of Tesla's current Bitcoin stash of 11,509 BTC. Tesla shares jumped after the electric vehicle maker started testing its long-awaited robotaxi service, a key step toward proving the technology that CEO Elon Musk has for years touted as a crucial driver of its lofty valuation.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the pound gain 0.6% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair gained 0.2% in the last session, after a 1.3% intra-session dip. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.